we are here to address the tan lines and the sunburn that you see. I recently took a trip to the Andaman Islands with my family. It was especially special because I hadn't traveled in a long time given the whole pandemic travel restrictions. And second, I actually hadn't traveled with my family in a long time. So it was a much needed vacation. I also created a whole vlog about the trip. I will leave it on the link in the floating eye on the screen and in the description box. So make sure you check that out. But I received a ton of messages asking me to create a video dedicated on how you can save and invest financially for your travel plans. And of course, I jumped up and said yes to that idea, and hence the video. So hello, welcome back. This is Disha Shah, and I create videos on how to make, save, and invest money. Shout out to P10 Money for sponsoring this video. As usual, it is an absolute pleasure to work with P10 Money because it is a platform where you can get genuine financial advice from independent, unbiased experts and interact with members of your community who are going through the same financial challenges as you. And that's pretty rare considering that money is still quite a taboo topic. Moreover, you can check your credit score, create financial goals, and invest in mutual funds for free. So if you're interested to check them out, I will leave the link to their website and app down below in the description box. Now, let's address the number of times we've all said, I need a vacation. I know I'm guilty of dreaming about sipping on a cold drink, sunbathing on a beautiful beach while listening to the sound of waves on a Tuesday afternoon. Let me know in the comments down below which holiday you often catch yourself daydreaming about on a busy workday. Go do it. I want to know. But the real question is, why are we daydreaming about these holidays instead of planning for them? Here is my 5-step plan so that you never miss a vacation ever again. Number 1, figure out how much it'll cost. This might seem really obvious, but you will be surprised by the number of people who underestimate the cost of a vacation and then go into debt. We don't want that. So do your research, read blogs, watch videos, talk to the people who have been to the same vacation you are planning on going for, and then bringing us to step 2, create a budget. Here's a list of topics to consider while creating your budget. Don't worry about getting the exact numbers, an approximate figure also works. Having a budget down on pen and paper is something I've always recommended because it reinforces your plan and helps you make better and informed decisions before and during your travel. Number 3, create a travel fund. If you want to prioritize traveling, then I would highly recommend getting a travel fund. What is a travel fund? It is simply a separate investment which you will use for all your travel related expenses. A travel fund allows you to be intentional with the planning for the travel and make sure you don't overspend or use up your other savings. This brings us to the 4th part of our plan. Where exactly should you be investing and how do I choose this? Okay, let's quickly create 3 categories: short-term, mid-term, and long-term. The reason we create these videos is because, like I've said before, time is the most important factor to consider while investing because this decides your risk capacity. And risk and returns are always directly proportional. What I mean by this is higher the risk, higher returns, lower risk, lower returns. So they're directly proportional. So let's say you have more than 3 years to plan for a travel. This will come under long term. In this case, I would suggest you check out mutual funds, large cap equity funds, or hybrid funds. My reason for recommending mutual funds all the time is obviously the automated SIP option, systematic investment plan. In this plan, you get to pick your desired fund, decide how much you want to contribute to your travel goals every month, and pick a date of the month. And that's it. And every month, this amount will be credited on that day in your travel fund. So you are making your money work while you decide on which holiday you want to take. If you are a beginner and need help selecting from the various funds that exist, then download the P10 Money app where you will get personalized expert recommendations for your goals and timelines. Here's a bonus tip. Start a SIP or systematic investment plan even if you have no travel plans in the making, because then you will get a kickstart when you start planning for your holiday. So don't wait. Moving on to midterm, say you have 1 to 3 years to plan for your trip. In this case, you don't have that much time, so you want to reduce the amount of risk you're taking also. So then your options are a fixed deposit or a debt mutual fund. You can invest in these instruments and get up to 6 to 8% return per annum. Now moving on to short term, this is for all of you who did not plan for the trip and have less than a year to plan for it. In this case, since you don't have any time at all, you shouldn't be taking any risk with the money that you're saving up. So here your options are savings account or liquid mutual funds. So those are your three categories based on the different timelines and your investment options according to them. What I'm trying to say is that irrespective of your timeline, there are investment options that will help you reach your goal faster. So you can stop daydreaming and actually start planning for these trips. Share this video to everyone who's been saying I need a vacation or just a fellow traveler. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want me to make more videos surrounding financial planning and traveling, let me know in the comments down below and you know I will do it. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit that like button, leave me cute comments and subscribe to the channel. All of these small things combined helps me grow my channel and create more videos like this for you. If you stayed till the end, congratulations, you are already a step closer to your goals, and for that, the highest in me recognizes the highest in you.